Hey beautiful people, my name is Kristen. I'm so happy to have you stop by my channel, check out my coffee and a classic with me. I didn't even want to wait until my hair was dry to film. I have had this box sitting here for, this is the third day, and I like to find out what it is with you on camera, and I just can't wait anymore. I want to know what we got this month. So I will leave the website below. I don't have a referral code or anything like that, but it's basically a classic, non-fiction classic or children's classic with either coffee, tea, or hot cocoa, and some bookish items, so you can find out the details. And oh, this is one that actually came in another subscription box, The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes by Arthur Conan Doyle, which I do love that book. In fact, fun fact, this is August, and for my dad's birthday, which is in August, actually tomorrow, I sent him a subscription called Dear Homes. I'll leave that website below too. I should get a referral for all these things, right? But I don't, I'm just helping you out. It's a mystery series, so you buy for somebody and it comes like addressed from Sherlock Holmes or Watson or one of those characters, and you try to solve the mystery, and you can go online and talk with other people. Anyway, it sounded really cool, and my parents are the ones who gave me a love of reading and detective mysteries. So anyway, here's the card. Look how cute that is. Love it. So the coffee says the game is afoot. Dark roast coffee, roasted in Maine. Looks like this. Let me look over. Black Thunder blend. That's perfect because it doesn't sound like it has a specific flavor, so my husband will drink this. He won't drink the flavored ones, but this one, I actually haven't drank the last one because it's chocolate and he won't do that. So this one I can brew tomorrow. That's exciting. All right, I'm gonna dig out the book, see if the book is the same version I got. No, it's not, which gives me a dilemma, right? It's like, do I want two copies since they're very pretty? Because look at this. Let me take off the, maybe I won't take off the plastic because maybe this one I'll gift. Bonded leather with classic illustrations and ribbon marker. So this is a beautiful, beautiful copy. It's got some dust on it, but you can see the foiling and the binding with the plaid. And my name is Sherlock Holmes. It is my business to know what other people don't know. So I have read this, and I read the biography about Arthur Conan Doyle, and it was really good. So I'll leave a link to those book reviews for you too. All kinds of links today. So let's see what the bookish related items are. So, oh, here's the bookmark. How cute. It's all plaid. Look. There's his smoking pipe and the plaid bookmark, and then there's his violin at the other end. How stinking cute. That's cute. I like that. This is the kind that I get dirty or tear up, the kind that's cloth, but I'll enjoy it while I have it. I'll use it. And Sherlock's Study, teakwood, cedar, leather, sandalwood, patchouli, dark musk, handmade for coffee and a classic. Sorry, I had to focus in to read that. Let's sniff. Oh. It smells to me like kind of a mahogany chair. You know, that leather kind of wood wax. It does, I mean, they nailed the study smell. They nailed it. So, oh, look. Here's my Sherlock Study that I got in the other one. And then there's my Sherlock Study. So I've got two, and I'm not mad at all about that. I like that. All right, I think there should be one more item, right? bookish. I got the bookmark, the thing, coffee, study scented candle, antique silver Sherlock's keychain. There's a keychain. Oh, here it is. It's little. It was lost in the worms. So, Sherlock study keychain. Oh, I don't know if you'll be able to focus in on this enough. It says 2221B. That's on Baker Street. So this is cute. That's a cute idea. So you have your keys on here, and then this key is the key to Sherlock's study. That's adorable. I like that. I'm totally gonna put this on my keychains. What I do is I have one of those cabiners or cabiners, or what do you call those things? the big clips, and then I put separate keychains on there, and it'll have like the car, the house, the work. And then that way, if I need to give somebody to my work keys or give somebody my car keys, I can just take it off and then put it back all on together so that they're all together. So I have a massive wad of keychains is kind of what I'm saying, but this will become one of them. So we will see. So even though the book is kind of disappointing in a way that I've already read it and already own a really beautiful copy, this is a different copy, so I'm not totally discouraged, and I'm probably going to gift this. I'm probably going to make this a really nice gift for somebody because it's a good book. It's a series of a bunch of short stories, so it's really easy. So even if you aren't a big reader, it's a great place to start with the classics. And I'm definitely going to use the cute little bookmark and the keychain. And I love the candle. It smells fantastic. And the coffee is an A+. Most of the coffees, I have to find a time when my husband's actually left early for work and I need some more coffee. So this is helpful. So thank you for sharing. You can leave me a comment what your favorite item is. If you've read Sherlock Holmes, if you love him, or have any other mystery detective books that you want to talk about, feel free to drop them below. I appreciate that. If you want to like and subscribe and stick around, I appreciate that. I got lots more book unboxings and reviews and all sorts of things of that nature. So talk to y'all later.